Is the Corsair MP600 Pro and H8TB SSD actually this fast? 7,000 megabytes per second without heatsink? Let's find out. Sick of staring at loading bars? Feeling trapped by your aging, sluggish SSD while your workflow crawls along at prehistoric speeds? It's the same story for gamers, creators, and professionals alike: projects bogged down, files dragging, and boot times that belong in 2010. You're wasting hours waiting for files to transfer, games to load, and apps to respond, while your potential just idles. Worse? Every performance SSD you've tried either overheats or underdelivers. You're stuck, frustrated, and starting to question if lightning-fast storage is even real. Sound familiar? Yeah, we've all been there. But there's a way out. Now imagine this. A major project deadline creeping closer, your system freezes mid-render, and that dreaded loading will becomes your worst nightmare. Game sessions ruined by stutters. File transfers that test your patience and your sanity. Storage limitations choke your creativity. Meanwhile, your so-called Pro SSD can't keep pace, frying itself without a heatsink or crumbling under multitask pressure. The pressure builds, burnout looms, and those missed deadlines aren't just embarrassing, they're costing you real money, real opportunities, and real peace of mind. Your tech is supposed to work for you, not slow you down and ruin your day. Meet the Corsair MP600 Pro and H8TB PCIe, Gen 4x4 NVMe SSD, the storage monster engineered to obliterate your bottlenecks. This isn't some basic upgrade, it's a radical performance transformation. With jaw-dropping 7,000 megabytes per second read and 6,500 megabytes per second write speeds, this powerhouse doesn't just load games, it teleports you into them. Built with high-density TLC and NAND, it's designed for endurance, boasting a mammoth 6,000 TBW lifespan. No heatsink? No problem. Corsair's smart thermal management keeps things cool and efficient inside its sleek M.2 2280 form factor. Whether you're gaming, creating, or hustling hard, the MP600 Pro and H turns slowdowns into a thing of the past. With 8 terabytes of storage packed into a compact design, the MP600 Pro and H isn't just fast, it's huge. Load massive games, juggle complex projects, and handle 4K and 8K video without breaking a sweat. Thanks to PCIe Gen 4x4 connectivity, this SSD unlocks next-gen speeds on compatible motherboards, future-proofing your build. Plus, backed by Corsair's 5-year warranty, you're not just buying speed, you're investing in long-term reliability. Curious how much smoother life could be with 7,000 megabytes per second under your fingertips? Stick around and see why content creators, hardcore gamers, and professionals swear by the MP600 Pro and H. Thousands have already leveled up their rigs with the Corsair MP600 Pro and H, now it's your turn. But don't sleep on this. 8 terabytes PCIe, Gen 4 SSDs are rare and hot-selling. Demand is skyrocketing, and once it's gone, you'll be stuck watching everyone else leave you in digital dust. Secure yours today and say goodbye to system bottlenecks forever. Don't wait. Don't miss out. Transform your workflow and dominate your games. Buy now and experience the insane speed your build deserves. This isn't hype. This is Corsair power. Ready to win? Click that link and make it happen.